Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can give your photos a retro makeover with the 70s or 80s Mivo's AI filters. So in here, what you need to do is open the Mivo apps on your phone. Then you can just swipe through the category and then hit on the AI photo girl options, and then you can just scroll down until you find those filters. So let's see. Okay, this one's right here. There's also this one and this one, so you can just choose which one for your photos. For example, I'm going to go with this one's right here. You can just click on the filter and then click on free unlock. Now just choose the photos that you want to edit. Here I'm going to use uh this photos right here. For example, click on the photo, wait for the result. So here it is. This is your retro look photos in Mivo. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.